The space race of the 20th century mesmerized the globe. It was an era of remarkable technological progress and national pride. The rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union pushed the limits of human capability, culminating in historic feats like the Apollo 11 moon landing. The Soviet Union and the United States vied for dominance in space. Each sought to showcase its technological and ideological superiority. The Soviet Union's launch of Sputnik in 1957 ignited this fierce competition, prompting the United States to fast-track its own space initiatives. Today, a new space race is unfolding. This time, the competition extends beyond nations to include private enterprises. The landscape of space exploration has evolved dramatically, with new contenders entering the arena and old rivals reigniting their ambitions. Now, it's a contest between the United States and China. Both nations are heavily investing in their space programs, aiming to achieve milestones that could redefine their global standing. The United States, with its storied history in space, is now joined by China, an emerging power with its own lofty aspirations. The stakes are immense. The victor will shape the future of space exploration and gain its benefits. This new race is not merely about national pride. It's about securing economic and military advantages, as well as unlocking scientific discoveries that could benefit all of humanity. Leading this new race are two private entities: SpaceX, spearheaded by Elon Musk, and China's burgeoning space sector. SpaceX has transformed space travel with its reusable rockets, while China's space program has made significant progress with its own innovations and successful missions. Both nations have ambitious space exploration goals. The United States aims to return to the moon and eventually send humans to Mars, while China plans to establish a permanent lunar presence and explore the far reaches of our solar system. Both are pouring resources into new technologies. From advanced propulsion systems to autonomous spacecraft, today's innovations will pave the way for tomorrow's missions. These technological advancements are crucial not only for exploration, but also for maintaining a strategic edge in space. Both nations view space as a vital domain for economic and military power. Control of space could mean control of essential communication networks, surveillance capabilities, and even the potential for space-based weaponry. As the new race to the stars intensifies, the world watches with bated breath, aware that the outcome will shape the future of humanity's presence in space. SpaceX has made remarkable strides with its Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets. These rockets have revolutionized space travel with their innovative designs and capabilities. These rockets are partially reusable, a feature that has set them apart from traditional expendable rockets. The ability to recover and reuse the first stage of the rocket has been a game changer in the aerospace industry. This reusability dramatically lowers the cost of launching payloads into orbit. By reusing components, SpaceX can offer more affordable launch services, making space more accessible to a wider range of customers, from commercial satellite operators to scientific research missions. But SpaceX isn't stopping there. The company is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in space exploration. Their ambitious plans include not just improving current technologies, but also developing new ones that could change the future of space travel. Their sights are set on Mars, and to reach the Red Planet, they're developing Starship. This next-generation spacecraft is designed to carry humans and cargo to Mars and beyond, opening up new possibilities for interplanetary travel. Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed for interplanetary travel. It represents a significant leap forward in space technology, with the potential to make human settlement on other planets a reality. China, meanwhile, is developing its own heavy-lift launch vehicle, the Long March 9. This rocket is part of China's ambitious plans to become a major player in space exploration and technology. This super heavy rocket bears a striking resemblance to SpaceX's Starship. Both rockets are designed to carry large payloads and support long-duration missions, highlighting the global race to advance space technology. Like Starship, the Long March 9 is designed to be fully reusable. This feature is crucial for reducing the cost of space missions and making space travel more sustainable in the long run. It's a clear indication that China is taking reusability seriously and aims to compete with SpaceX head-on. The development of the Long March 9 shows that China is committed to advancing its space capabilities and becoming a leader in the new era of space exploration. As both SpaceX and China continue to innovate and push the boundaries of space technology, The future of space exploration looks incredibly promising. The competition between these two space giants is driving rapid advancements and could lead to unprecedented achievements in the coming years. Whether it's landing humans on Mars or establishing a lunar base, the efforts of SpaceX and China are paving the way for a new era of human space exploration. The race to the stars is on, and the world is watching with great anticipation. For many years, China relied on expendable rockets. Each launch meant building a new rocket from scratch. This approach was expensive and inefficient. But China is now shifting gears, embracing reusable rocket technology. This change signifies a fundamental shift in their space program. The development of the Long March 9 is a testament to this new approach. China recognizes that reusability is the key to unlocking the potential of space. It allows for more frequent and affordable launches, accelerating the pace of exploration and scientific discovery. Elon Musk has been vocal about China's progress in space. He has expressed both admiration and concern. Musk acknowledges the skill and determination of Chinese engineers. However, he also worries about the potential for a space race to escalate into a more dangerous rivalry. Musk has called for cooperation between nations in space. He believes that humanity should work together to explore the cosmos. Yet he also understands that competition is inevitable. SpaceX will continue to push the boundaries of space technology, driving innovation and challenging China to keep pace. China's shift towards reusability isn't limited to its state-run space program. Private companies are also emerging, inspired by SpaceX's success. These companies are developing their own reusable rockets and spacecraft, aiming to capitalize on the growing demand for space launch services. This entrepreneurial spirit is injecting new energy into China's space industry. It's fostering innovation and competition, driving down costs, and accelerating progress. The emergence of these private companies adds another layer of complexity to the new space race. The hurdles to reusability. Developing reusable rockets is no easy feat. It presents significant engineering challenges. Rockets experience extreme temperatures, pressures, and gravitational forces during launch and re-entry. Ensuring they can withstand these forces and land safely for reuse is a complex task. China faces these same hurdles as SpaceX. While the Long March 9 is still under development, it remains to be seen if China can achieve the same level of reliability and reusability as SpaceX's Falcon 9. Overcoming these technical challenges will be crucial for China to achieve its space ambitions. 2 paths to the moon. Long March 9 versus Long March 10. In the ambitious race to establish a human presence on the moon, China has laid out a comprehensive plan involving 2 distinct yet complementary rockets. These rockets, the Long March 9 and the Long March 10, represent the pinnacle of China's space exploration efforts. China's lunar ambitions are no secret. The nation has been steadily advancing its space technology, aiming to become a dominant force in space exploration. The Chinese Space Agency has been meticulously planning and executing missions that bring them closer to their ultimate goal, a permanent lunar base. The nation plans to establish a permanent presence on the moon. This vision includes not just landing astronauts on the lunar surface, but also building infrastructure that can support long-term human habitation and scientific research. The lunar base will serve as a stepping stone for further deep space exploration. To achieve this goal, they are developing 2 separate but interconnected rockets, the Long March 9 and the Long March 10. Each rocket has a specific role to play in this grand vision. The Long March 9 is designed for heavy lifting, capable of carrying large payloads necessary for constructing the lunar base. The Long March 9, as discussed, is a super heavy lift vehicle designed for deep space missions. It is engineered to transport massive components and equipment required for building and maintaining a lunar base. This rocket is crucial for the initial stages of lunar colonization, where heavy machinery and large modules need to be delivered to the moon. The Long March 10, on the other hand, is a smaller, reusable rocket intended to shuttle astronauts and cargo between Earth and a lunar orbit. This rocket is designed for efficiency and sustainability, ensuring that regular missions to and from the moon can be conducted with ease. The reusability aspect of Long March 10 makes it a cost-effective solution for maintaining a continuous human presence on the moon. This 2-pronged approach highlights China's commitment to a sustained lunar presence. By developing both a heavy-lift vehicle and a reusable shuttle, China is ensuring that all aspects of lunar colonization are covered. This strategy not only demonstrates their technological prowess, but also their dedication to becoming a leading spacefaring nation. The Long March 9 and 10 are more than just rockets. They are the vehicles that will carry China's dreams to the moon and beyond. Section 8. Lunar Gold Rush. The stakes of space exploration. The moon is no longer just a distant celestial body. It's now seen as a potential source of valuable resources. Water ice, rare earth elements, and helium-3 are just a few of the resources that could be mined from the moon. This potential for resource extraction is driving the new space race. Both the United States and China recognize the strategic importance of securing a foothold on the moon. The nation that controls these resources will have a significant advantage in the coming decades. A giant awakens. China's space program has made remarkable progress in recent years. They have sent astronauts into space, landed a rover on the far side of the moon, and established their own space station. Their ambitions are clear to become a leading space power. Whether China can match SpaceX's achievements remains to be seen. SpaceX has a head start and a proven track record of innovation. However, China has demonstrated its determination and its capacity for rapid technological advancement. The new space race is just beginning, and the outcome is far from certain.